Yeah, so we back and still feel kind of the same way I've been feeling about the whole uploading thing, but I don't know. Man, we in the garage and we about to see if we can get these things lined up, man. Show y'all. I'm pretty sure I showed y'all the last time when I was trying to line up the front doors, but those two screws, those two bolts right there, right, hold on, wait, right there, and this one right there, this one right here, and this one right here. Those are what controls the angles of the doors. That's what you line the doors up with. So got me a got my ratchet, got me a swivel on there just in case, and the bolts are 13 millimeters. So gonna try to line these junks up, man. See what we can get. I'm sure I can get it better, but it's crazy because I'm thinking about it now. I couldn't line up the front doors because the back doors weren't lined up. And I thought the back doors was lined up. That's the reason why I couldn't line up the front doors, because it was actually leaning back up against the back door. So, yeah. So I'm about to try my hand at it again. See what we got. I think it ought to line up. I was just misguided, I guess. Yeah, that's the word we're gonna use. Misguided. Yep, on the door. You see this off. There the gap. Oh, look at this. You can see that gap noticeably get bigger. So, yeah, I think this door needs to go like this, because the gap gets bigger as you go up. Right. This door is noticeably higher than this. I don't know if the gap the same, but I like the gap is getting smaller as you get up here. Yeah. He's good. Let's see if this one's the same way. This one is. This gap needs to come again. That's to be the gap get big up here. So this door may need to do the same thing. Yep, it's getting bigger as you go up. So this door needs to do the same thing. You need to go that way. And this door, even though it closes good, it's off. Like it's still open here. But I don't know. So I gotta get in here and figure out how this is off right there. So it gotta come up to the fender. It gotta come up for sure. But it's, I don't know. This is all messed up. Way up here. We gotta come back down. So. Hey, this is so crazy. Hey, y'all check this out. This is the first track. This how I know I be booed. Like this how I know I be for real, like on some like lazy shit. Check this out, y'all. Y'all look. Look at this, man. Like I'm literally putting no effort in closing that door. Now, it still got that gap up here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm still finna try to I'm gonna loosen it, but I'm gonna jack it up more on the front side. Try to jack it up more on the front side. But yeah. And you can see, yep, see it added, cause it's still, I'm trying to see it close the gap up here, so it's good. This door gonna hit, so this the top side need to come back a little bit. So let me try to do that real quick. And man, it's crazy. I just got the phone with my dog Memphis Mike, man. I said, man, my dog's gonna be closing like a Cadillac. Look at it. Well, it ain't closing exactly like a Cadillac. But I ain't coming back here. I ain't way back here with it no more. You feel what I'm saying? And that was just me just coming out here right quick, doing something right quick. You know what I'm saying? Like, let me do this right quick. Let me undo these bolts and put the jack up on there and do this right quick. Like, that was just that. Like, that wasn't even me just really putting effort in it. So let me loosen it up a little bit and try to push this door backwards. Not backwards, but push this back a little bit. Hopefully it don't drop this down. Yeah, so this gap still ain't where I want it to be, but the door is closing way better than it was. So, well, y'all seen that. So, and it's, you know what I'm saying, it's laying down how it's supposed to over the car. So, with this one, like I'm just gonna have to either, I don't know how I'm gonna do this, cause I'm trying to keep it from hitting this, but it gotta come back just a little bit. Like it gotta come back like just a hair. You know what I'm saying? Just a hair, and that'll be, I don't know. I gotta figure it out, but yeah. One side, I don't know. It can be done because, yep, all this lining up. It can be done. I mean, I feel like this Kinda lining up. I don't know. Let's see if you look at it. See now, if you look at it now, it ain't looking like my door out. You know what I'm saying? Like y'all know how, well, y'all probably don't, but like when people be riding behind me, they always be like, hey man, close your door. Like, you know what I'm saying? Now it's, I don't know. Still it ain't closing right, I know that. So I need to do something with it. Like I said, I'm gonna bring it back just a hair, just to see. Or it need to go, I don't know. Let me see, if I unscrew, can I pull the door back? And like this front door ain't as easy as that back door. Or is it? I think it is. But I can't even tell what's hidden, where it's hidden at first. On here, I think it's straight. It's just something catching it. See, I mean, if you look at it right now, like that ain't supposed to look like that. See how that look? How it's overlapping it? So, I don't know. It's overlapping it, but then it go right to it. So, I don't know. Like when it's closed, it's straight. I don't want to mess my paint up doing this shit, man. Which is already messed up, but I'll figure it out. Shit. Yo, mind we back, and for the most part everything went well. I got a new chip in my paint now. Actually, I got two. But it is what it is, man. Like I ain't finna trip about it. It is what it is. I may or may not get the car painted over. Not sure, but yeah. But this front door was closing good anyway. But now it's lined up better. Here, had to raise the door up, and it's hugging against the car like it's supposed to. Open the door, close the door. Pretty simple, right? This one still kind of off a little bit, but I ain't gotta come all the way from China to close it. You know what I'm saying? So these two are good. Look at my new chip right there. There's one of them. It's a little baby one right here. It was hidden right here, so that's probably gonna chip sooner or later. Close this gap. I close this gap at the top here. So everything is laying up against the car now. I just seen a chip that I had nothing to do with. I don't know where that came from. But yeah, but this door here closes good. I guess it closed about the same amount of. Nah. I'm closing that one. Like I ain't slamming neither one of them. You know what I'm saying? Let me see. See, that was a little strike. I mean, that was a little pressure, but like I ain't slamming. Let me see this other one. This other one, man, it ain't right. But let's see. See, this is about the same amount of force as the other one. About the same amount of force. The front door, Hey, but the front door is closed now. You can see that, like, it's closed, like, so riding behind me, I ain't gonna think my door open no more. You know what I'm saying? With my door closed. Like, everything pretty much lined up. Only thing about it, like I said, this door, it probably would line up better if I had all 4 bolts in the door, and I don't. So, I gotta figure that out. I'm trying to look at this gap on this door and look at the gap on the driver door. Like, it's still, that door's still off. So I gotta figure it out. And now the gap ain't that much of a difference from that gap over there. But man, I just sent these chips, man, to my painter. See what he want to do about it. I don't want to paint the whole car for, you know what I'm saying? I don't want to paint the whole car, man, just for them little chips. But dealing with that candy, I don't know how it's gonna go. So good thing I ain't chipped this door over here. Like, good thing all this over here went smooth. I messed around. I did something stupid. Like, I pulled the car out of the garage, and I had it sitting like on a hill, like, and every time I was messing with the door, like, it'll just jump out on its own because I was loosening the screws too much. That's how I ended up chipping that door. And this door, the passenger front door, I don't know what happened, but I know what happened here. That was when I first got the car back and everything was really out of whack. So, but I ain't gonna worry about it, man. It is what it is. I wanted y'all to see that, man, as far as the, you know what I'm saying, footage goes. I want y'all to see, man, I still be active with MayRose. I'm gonna come back, man, and do a video of everything that I plan to address, you know what I'm saying, over these next few months with MayRose, man. You know what I'm saying, as far as stuff that gotta be done on the inside, all that right there. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna give y'all a full detailed video, which I don't think it's that much. It's a few main things. So get in there and show y'all that. I got some stuff. I just found out something yesterday about these seats. Y'all see these? How my seat rocking? I just actually found out how to fix that, so I'm gonna be fixing that. See, this door don't have to help it a little bit. Have to help that door close a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Still ain't slamming it, but I have to help it close. But yeah, man, that's gonna be it for this video. Let me see if this passenger seat do that. Hold on. I think it does. Nah, the passenger seat don't do it. The passenger seat don't do it. So I'm just fixing the driver's seat. This door here always closed good. I kind of slammed it that time, but it always closed good anyway though. But yeah. Anyway, that's it, man. I'm finna put all this stuff back up, and yeah, it's your dog, man. Big B-Lo. Catch y'all in the next one.